They say if you go to Dubai and don't take a selfie with the Burj Khalifa, your visa will be rejected. Well, this was a rough start to this video. But it is clear as day that the Burj Khalifa is truly one of the wonders of this century. Burj Khalifa, formerly known as Burj Dubai, is the tallest building in the world located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, which surpassed the 101-story building in Taipei, Taiwan upon its completion on January 4, 2010. It is the tallest man-made building in history. The building was named after Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates, on the occasion of its inauguration. The construction of Burj Khalifa began on September 21, 2004 under the name of Burj Dubai. Burj Khalifa and other tall buildings and structures. A comparative review of the total height of Burj Khalifa is 828 meters while its total floors are 162. Thus, it is also the tallest building in the world. When the building reached a height of 512 meters, 1,680 feet, on July 21, 2007, at the completion of 141 floors, it overtook Taipei 101, 509.2 meters, 1,671 feet, as the tallest building in the world at the time, but taller. Regarding the buildings, the international organization Anjuman Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habits recognized this, but their habitat. It is said that it is not the tallest building till then will be called until completed. Just like the North Koreans. The Ryong-yong Hotel in the capital Pyongyang is not considered a complete building. Therefore, it officially received the honor of the tallest building on January 4, 2010. Similarly, in February 2007, Burj Khalifa surpassed Chicago's Sears Tower to become the tallest building in the world. It should be noted that the Sears Tower has 108 floors. Features. The Burj Khalifa is also home to the world's fastest elevator, which travels at a speed of 65 km per hour, 40 miles per hour. The entire building project includes 30,000 residential houses, 9 hotels, 6 acres of gardens, 19 residential towers and Burj Khalifa Lake. Its construction cost $8 billion. After completion, the tower spread over an area of 20 million square meters. In addition, Burj Khalifa Tower has the highest mosque in the world, which is located on the 158th floor. Earlier, the tallest mosque in the world was located in Burj Al Malika, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The lost glory of the Middle East. With the completion of the Burj Khalifa, the Middle East has once again won the title of the world's tallest building, which was held by the Egyptian pyramid for 3,000 years. The Middle East had been deprived of this honor since the construction of Lincoln Cathedral in 1300. The curiosity to know about the Burj Khalifa located in Dubai, the World Trade Center of the United Arab Emirates, is always there in the minds of those people who have not had the opportunity to see this magnificent building directly. The construction of the Burj and its features are so colorful and versatile that the administration has set up a special website, burjkhalifa.ae, to show them to the world. Preparations to do it in a new and exciting way were made vigorously. According to the leisure website, there are 2,909 stairs to access the 160 floors of the Burj Khalifa, where visitors to the tower enjoy a variety of fragrances. For this purpose, 18 locations are sprinkled with perfumes to give a unique and pleasant feeling to the visitors with different scents. The largest and tallest cranes in the world were used during the construction of Burj Khalifa. One crane weighed more than 25 tons. The Burj Khalifa is the largest vertical city on the planet, housing 10,000 people at a time. The world's fastest elevators are installed in the tower, which helps to take the receipt. Very few people know about Burj Khalifa. Among them is the library built on the 123rd floor. Included, a warning light for airplanes and helicopters on top of the tower flashes 40 times a minute. The temperature difference between the underground floor and the top floor of Burj Khalifa is 7 degrees Celsius. The temperature in the final floor is 7 degrees Celsius lower. The aluminum used in the construction of the tower weighs as much as 5 of the world's largest A380 aircraft. It takes 120 days to clean all the windows of the Burj Khalifa. In 2014, the vertical apparel fashion show was held in the same tower. View of the sunset from the Burj Khalifa can be seen twice a day. The first view of the sunset can be seen from the first floor of Burj Khalifa and the second view from its last floor.